This is an easy budget meal stretching that 1 pound of ground beef to feed 4 hungry people. An Asian-style ground beef and cabbage skillet meal that can be made in 30 minutes or less. Stay tuned. First, let's get the sauce ready. I have 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and 1 teaspoon of chili garlic sambal or sriracha. And to balance it out, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, giving that a good mix and setting to the side. In my skillet on medium-high heat, I'm cooking and chopping 1 pound of ground beef until almost no pink. Adding in 1 tablespoon each of minced garlic and ginger. It is amazing how much flavor these add to the dish. And 1 cup of sliced onions. Cooking and stirring for 1 minute. Now I'm turning my heat down to a medium and I'm adding in a little of the shredded cabbage at a time until it all fits, giving that a good stir to combine. Here I have 1 cup of shredded carrots. You could also use matchstick carrots. The key is you want everything similar size so the vegetables cook evenly and all at the same time, giving that a good stir, covering and cooking for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, uncover and give the mixture another good stir. You will see the cabbage is shrinking and producing some moisture. Cover and cook for another 2 minutes. Adding in a half a slice of red bell pepper, cooking and stirring for another 2 minutes. And we are almost done. I'm pouring over the sauce, cooking and stirring for 1 more minute, and we are ready to eat. You could serve this Asian ground beef and cabbage with rice or noodles or even some dumplings, but tonight we're eating just like this. Garnishing with sesame seeds. I hope you give this easy and delicious Asian ground beef and cabbage stir-fry a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.